Welcome to the Griddle, guys. You guys are our backbone. That's specifically for the Patreons. And we hope you enjoy it. We put together our guy Jonel. I still messed that up. Jonel has put together a variety of behind the scenes, Griddle guy, bloopers,
cuts that end up on the editing floor because we don't want everybody else to see them.
Yes. Yes.
We're gonna try and bring you one of these every month. Is the ideal situation.
Yep.
Ideal being the key word. You know, may not happen, but that's what our goal is.
We'll do the best we can, of course.
We're gonna do the best, and that's gonna be based on the 4 videos that we did that month. You know, so you'll get a little sneak peek behind the scenes.
Jeff doesn't mess up a lot, neither does Nate. It's usually me who's messing up the most, so.
And it balances out. Jeff gets angry, I yell. You know, you mess up.
But we hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks again. We appreciate you.
Thank you so much. Cheers. I'm gonna zoom in on you. Just move this dial right here.
On the side?
There's a wide type button.
Is it okay if I do this? It's moving.
That might be changing the focus versus zooming.
It zoomed.
Okay.
Recording. Well, this thing has a bunch of shit in the left I haven't seen in a while. So it's going in and out. Is that the right one?
Wipe that lens after too. There's a little oil on it.
Oh, attacked by a cobweb.
You can see it from here, so.
The 3 old men making a video. Did it zoom? Are you turning it? What's...
Nose wipes.
Nose wipe.
He's got some schmeg right on the front.
Jeff, you got the best eyes. Go around the back and see if it zoomed.
Jeff, can you come check this for a second? Is all this in the picture, Nate, right there?
Yes. 3.
Higher.
We'll start up here.
Perfect. All right, how do I look? And we're off.
So, where was I? Thanks for checking out the channel. Let's start that over again.
Thanks. My just dropped.
I got a little thing going on in the throat.
That's what she said.
Awkward moment of silence.
3, 2.
Why do you have it so high? You can just literally hold it right here. Welcome to the channel, guy. Let me try that again.
Welcome to the Griddle, guys.
So I can stay out of the way.
You're gonna be in the shot no matter what.
This looks more professional.
It looks clear.
Everybody talk.
Chicken.
Chicken. Jay?
Chicken.
What are you, fishing?
I didn't check to see if that's picking up the audio at all.
It won't really, because we'll be over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like surprised. I already thought of that, like turn it down.
It is when we stand next to the camera, it does.
Okay.
Yeah, Jeff just learned that lesson the hard way. Don't take something frying on the griddle and put it right in your mouth.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I thought we were filming.
No, I just started.
You're too tall. Your lights.
Actually, when I put these lights in, I said that because I did this. I'm like, can we hang them higher? Can we hang them higher? But I get overruled, like we all do.
Welcome to the show, guys. Nope. Let's start that over.
Dude, this is our 7th try. We haven't even started cooking yet. Nice. Jonel, take 15 on the intro.
Is that your mother in your house or is that June?
Oh my God.
Why would you say that? And you're on camera.
Holy.
What is wrong with you?
Well, Jonel doesn't know Jeff's mother or June.
He knows that you never compare a wife to a mother.
All right, so
Your mother's that hot?
hit us up on WhatsApp. Let us know.
Yeah, I said that, June.
We have to go through the archives. June's not gonna see that, you idiot.
She's gonna make the bloopers. She might be a Patreon.
What's going on, Griddle heads?
Good start.
Jeff is about to eat the strongest, most potent horseradish that any of us have ever had. I told you.
Oh my God!
Those slippers are moccasins.
These are slippers that are inside of the house. Thanks. Wearing your shoes inside the house. June just cleaned the floor.
No, that's not for me.
That's part of the tile.
Okay.
Anyways, tell her to bring his glasses.
All right.
I got a phone call today from Jeff. He was kind of in a panic, it sounded like. He goes,
Creeping up on
Chris.
New Year's Eve.
Chris, get over here. I got crabs. I said, oh boy.
Maybe call a doctor, not Chris. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm like, Jeff, I can't help you. He goes, no, you can help him. I'm like, okay.
It ain't on the
Cut
griddle,
that.
guys.
Cut that, never mind. We have a special cook. It is cheesy chicken boats.
This is Chris's impersonation of Jeff.